Hey everybody, it is Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and coming to you today from Blaine, Minnesota, at phase 2 of the installation I started last fall. And today, or actually right now, I am going to put together a 3-compartment compost bin. And I built it in my garage, and now I'm going to assemble it here. And if you like this compost bin and you would like one just like it, send me a DM or an email at travis@foodforestabundance.com, and I can build you one, or I can get the materials and cut everything and get everything ready as like a kit, and you can come and buy one from me and assemble it yourself, or you can buy one from me and I will come in, I build it and assemble it at your property. But anyway, it's not that difficult to do it yourself. You're going to be able to watch me right over my shoulder as I do this. Like I said, I already assembled everything, or built everything. Now I'm just going to assemble it and then put the finishing touches on it. But anyway, I'm going to turn you around and show you what we have for materials. All right, here we go. All right, here we got, these are for the compartment sides, 4 of them. And what you see, that is a roll of hardware cloth. It's a 1/2 inch, 3 feet, 36 inches by, I think, 50 feet or something like that. And you can buy a roll of it for about 40 bucks, I think it was. And then here you got a couple of treated. Those would be, they're sold in 10-foot lengths. So you got 2 of the 2 treated, 1 untreated. Everything that's making contact with the ground is going to be treated. And these are treated wood also. And then everything else is untreated, but I wiped it with I sealed the wood with teak oil. So I'm going to put another coat of teak oil on it once I get it fully assembled. And but it's not adding any color really to it, it's just sealing the wood up. But yep. All right, I'm going to set the camera up and you can watch me assemble this.